show basically what we're doing over here. So the first two steps, I have completed these steps. This is just the Redtrack API for our internal sheet and the reporting email address. I've added that into the settings tab. Now I'm just going to start off from the campaigns tab. So this is just a direct copy of this sheet, which I'm going to show you. And the only thing I've done is basically done the first two steps. So now here we are. The first of all, we're going to create campaigns. So I'm just going to quickly copy paste certain campaigns. So we've got these 3 campaigns that we have. I'm just going to quickly create that so we don't spend too much time in a video. So this is done. If I open this, we can see this stuff is done, and I can just come over here. So now if I do this, I can access these. But that's really what we want. So now I can just also go into this sheet. I've kept a report setting just to quickly demonstrate what we're doing, because I could, if I do it all manually, it would take a long time. So yeah. So all of these are basically available in the drop downs. At the moment, I'm just trying to just copy paste them, and nothing over here. This one is a yesterday one, so we just run it every day, and with a start day behind and end day behind. And over here, we're just going to do in every hour, and we can do this. And over here, I could just select a time, which would be -5. I think, yeah, this is that. All right, cool. So with this, we've completed the third step and the fourth step. So the third step is like set the campaigns. We've set the campaigns, and then the report settings. I've created a report setting, including all those 3 campaigns that I've added. So now it's just, I've got to go over here and delete my triggers. So I'm going to go over here and just run that. So now it's asking for authentication. Then we can Redtrack access. And now the next step is basically create update triggers for reports. And I'm just going to run this. Yeah, so this is done. I can also open AppScript right here, and we can even go through the execution logs. So far, this is exactly what we've done. Now I can come here, and the final step that we have to, the second last step that we have to run is force run save triggers. So the triggers have been saved, so now we can just force run them. Yeah, so here we go. The logs have been produced, and if I come over here, I can do this. We'll see that this is completed. Now, final thing we can test out, because these are live, so these are going to run at their times. These are going to run. We're going to get the logs eventually in like 1 hour. So now the final thing we have to do is force run trigger for a report. Force run specific triggers. So I can even test this out, and we can run specific triggers. And this is asking for that, so I'll just run the second one. And if I go into log, I can see that a new log has been added.